High Elevation was established in September 2000. It was started because we felt we could provide a better customer service. We cover the whole of Kent and South East, predominantly Kent and South East London. We like to keep our portfolio of areas small, purely because we want to get to the customers the same day. We are an authorised dealer for one of the largest manufacturers of stairlifts, being Stanner. It's a very prestigious award to have. We are one of their top dealers in the UK, because we have a vast experience and knowledge of all of their products. The majority of our work is for private domestic customers. We do also do work for local authority and housing associations, as well as some commercial contracts. When buying a stairlift, it's quite complicated to make sure you get the right product for your needs. So for that reason, High Elevation has made a showroom in its offices at Bernard House, where customers or potential customers can come along and try every single product available to them on the marketplace today. We don't employ salesmen, we simply employ engineers with a vast experience and knowledge of all products that we offer. Higher elevation services include generic maintenance, repairs and 7 days call-outs. So if you ever have a problem or an issue with your lift, we're there at the end of the telephone 24/7. High Elevation is Kent Trading Standards approved as well as Checker Trade approved, which means you can look at our reviews on the website which have been left by customers.